Good afternoon, everyone. Now, the next session is on QLO apps, the open source hotel reservation system by Mr. Rohit Jain. He's the creator of QLO apps. So, let's welcome him. Over to you, Rohit.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. Today, I will be presenting you an open source software that possesses great potential to make a change in the hotel industry. From hotel booking and managing intelligent pricing to launching a complete hotel booking website, QLabs is an one-stop destination to all the hotel management solutions. In this presentation, I will be telling you about the journey of QLabs, like how we came up with the idea, the challenges we encountered, the solutions we created, and why it is the necessity of the hotel industry, and pitching the product globally while making it easily available. My name is Rohit Jain. I am the creator of QLabs and working in the organization Webpool, which is the parent company of QLabs. I have also been part of other projects like Channel Manager, Multi-Vendor Marketplace, Affiliate System, and Progressive Web App. Now, let's start what are the current landscape of FOS in India. So, when we talk about the current landscape of FOS in India, we can say that we are heading in a very positive direction. But still, there are some gray areas which we need to be addressed. So the first point which I will like to bring is that the need to break the monopoly of proprietary softwares through open source alternatives in business tools. I mentioned business tools because when we see the developer and backend tool landscapes, where open source is forming its monopoly, and it is evident by the success of Linux, frameworks like Laravel and Symfony, programming languages like Python and PHP. But when we talk about business tools like ERP, CRM, PMS, we will not find such a strong community and system. Although the e-commerce industry has seen a kind of open source revolution in the form of Magento, PrestaShop, WooCommerce, and so on. But still, hotel industry awaits such a change. At Webpool, we found this void. Initially, we are the contributors of open source and in e-commerce industry. But we used to get a lot of queries from hoteliers for customizing the e-commerce solution for hotel businesses. Even the open source enthusiasts, we tried to find a solution in different ways, but in the end, we got the conclusion that the industry needs open source platform. Now, when we talk about India, then I can proudly say that India is a land of open source contributors and users. But still, we are lagging in giving open source products to the world. So we need to start some new open source projects originating from India with the Indian soul. Now, I will like to mention some points that as per our experience, we should focus on. The points are security, user support, software compatibility, close watch to maintain coding standards, bugs, missing features. I mentioned these points because if these points are not taken care of, especially in our demographics, then creating a FOS community is very difficult. To create business awareness towards FOS and making its foundation really strong and building a community over it, we have to take care of some key factors. Open source must be included in the education system of India so that the Indian contribution has an early exposure. Also, event seminars will play a big role in motivating people so that we have some more SMEs and startups based on open source. We need big Indian companies and corporates to invest in open source projects. And lastly, our government support. Although I think we are on the right track, as recently our government has said, open source software is a key for digital democracy. As an organization, we give utmost importance to open source We consider it a tool that will bring better change globally. From our initial days, we are working on various open source projects. And currently, we are working on more than 22 platforms in which we are contributing through PRs, resolving issues, creating add-ons, quality improvements, and as much as we can do to give a common users a variety of choices to customize his system as per his business needs. As FOSS plays a vital role that we have created our own open source softwares which can fulfill the market need and increase communal growth. Being a part of this community, we have launched our open source projects like Qlo Apps, Bugisto, UVDesk, Cryan, and so on. Here, as I already mentioned, Qlo Apps is a hotel booking and reservation software. We will discuss more about it later in our discussion. Now moving to Bugisto, which is an open source e-commerce ecosystem to build online stores and scale your business. Next is UVDesk, which is a service-oriented, event-driven, open source help desk system that can be used by any organization to provide efficient support to the client effortlessly. And the recently released project Cryan is an open source customer relationship management solution for enhanced productivity and empower customer relationships. We also have some other open source projects like Micron.js, Vivid.js, CoolHue, and CSS Pen. Now, let's come back to the hospitality industry and dive a bit into some details. The first question that arises is why hospitality needs our help. So basically, there are three main points. To begin with, in current scenario, there is no true open source software for the hotel industry that can provide real-time problem solving and optimized solutions. In an industry, open source bring down the entry-level barrier of that market and democratize that market so that everyone can be a part of that industry and works in it. Otherwise, only big firms can do sustainable business in that industry. E-commerce had already seen that revolution. And because of open source, we need the same revolution in hotel industry. Moving to the next point, we do not find any system that channels the power of open source community towards the hotel industry as compared to e-commerce. The hotel owners doesn't have the power to take their business online and present themselves on the global market through own websites, as it costs them a fortune even for basic technological solutions. Even the big players in the hotel industry do not take booking from their own websites. They rely on third parties. So they are forced to sell their inventories on OTAs, which should not be a case. Now at last, I like to say, if these kind of technologies would be easily available in the hotel industry, it will be beneficial even for the end users to make decisions because of the availability of numerous options. These technologies would help a hotel owner to expand the market by reaching a vast community of users, thus helping the business owners to fight against the rate parity war with OTAs. Hence, ultimately, hotel owners would offer a better price to the end users. Now, let us discuss why the hotel industry deserves our help and why we should be bothered. We should pay attention to this industry because it is the highest growing industry which is highly affected by COVID. Its contribution is nearly 10% of the world GDP, and it is used to create approximately 8% jobs in the Indian market. Now let me introduce Qlo Apps to you and its journey so far. Qlo Apps is an open source hotel reservation system and booking engine, which is the complete system to manage the hotel business. With the help of Qlo Apps, a hotelier can launch its website, take and manage online and offline bookings, take care of the day-to-day operations of the hotel business. Qlo Apps is a global open source solution that is made as per the industry standards. Now, let us talk about how we come up with the idea. As was saying that we were serving the e-commerce industry for a very long time. We were getting queries from hoteliers to customize the e-commerce solutions as per their needs. But as the industry products are very different, like they need to be managed on dates and inventory basis, so the normal e-commerce solution is not suitable for this industry. After getting numerous queries, we felt a void in the hotel industry. So we tried to resolve these issues with all kinds of methods, but ultimately realized that there is a need of a new system altogether. Since the inception of the system, open source was at the center of our thoughts. So there was no question of making it proprietary software. We want to give the industry a system which is easily available, highly upgradable, and open source at its core. Now, let's talk about some roadblocks that we had in our journey so far. The first roadblock was a great learning for us. We learned that the thought process of the industry is changed a lot with time. For example, back in 2000s, when Magento and PrestaShop were launched, even a basic solution with complete workflow would have made a great impact. But in the present days, basic solution will not work. We need to give advanced features in default system with good UI and UX. So we had to add APIs, integrate payment gateways, employee management features, intelligent pricings, and so on. Then we also create add-ons for the users, which provide multiple choices to enhance the system. Hence, to pitch the system at good level, we had to make it an advanced solution as the consumer expectations have risen. So if we want to put open source software alternative of the proprietary solutions, we will need to make the open source product equal or even better. So the takeaway from this, which is valid for all of us, is that if you want to create an open source project, build a sustainable business out of it, then make the system at the advanced level with the attractive UI from the beginning. The next challenge which we faced was gaining the trust of our users. As we were the new in market, people was hesitate in using Qlo apps to build their business, but ultimately we gained their trust by providing them the best-in-class solution and support with a personal touch. Also, there was a challenge in finding the target audience, which belongs to the core hotel industry, and clarifying their doubt that we will be able to sustain ourselves in the market while offering the software for free. Our audience wondered that how we can provide the needed software when we are not earning anything by distributing the software for free. People were hesitant to make any investment in their own business while using Qlo apps. They got an initial perception that everything is free, from server setup to customization to third-party integrations. In the end, we face some technical challenges too, like maintaining coding standards, security of the system while carrying the community. So why do we claim that Qlo apps is one solution to all hotel industry problems? We claim this because Qlo apps has multiple best-in-market features. Here are some of the features which I would like to discuss. First is launching hotel booking website. The hotel owner can launch the hotel booking website within a few minutes with attractive UI and UX. The owner can change the look and feel of the website as per his requirements. Now the next is manage both on-desk online bookings. The hotel owner can manage both on-desk and online booking from a single system so that there is no inventory mismatch or overbooking if there is a walk-in. Next is tax management. In tax management, the hotelier has the functionality to manage taxes as per his country's law and regulations. Moving to intelligent or seasonal pricing. In the hotel industry, the prices of a particular room change with season. So we have to give this feature for increase and decrease the price in a specific date range, dates, and even on specific days. Now the next is integrated payment gateways. To make payment possible, we have to integrate multiple payment gateways in the system. Next is SEO. We have made QLO Apps SEO friendly system by giving multiple features to improve the search engine ranking. Moving to APIs, we provide web service API for third-party tools to perform CARD operations. Partial payment. The customer can pay a part of total payment in advance and confirm their booking status and will pay the due amount at the time of check-in. Moving to front desk dashboard. Hotel staff can manage all their incoming guests with an easy to use interface, and this will result in better customer experience. And the last feature I want to talk about is cart route, by which adding and managing discount is very easy. You can add discounts based on multiple criteria. So after successfully tackling our challenges and creating a wonderful system, we have to create and maintain a community. As we all know, the community is the soul of any operating open source projects. If an open source project does not have the community, then in simple words, we can say that project will not survive. We create our community by publishing industry-related blogs on our website as well as on third-party websites. We release monthly newsletters to keep our community updated. We make tutorial videos, guides to educate our community. We also do webinars for the same. We allow our community to interact with us and share their thoughts, issues with our team via forum, one-to-one customer support, and live chats. That to facilitate easy contribution on QLO Apps, we have launched our developer documentations also. We are also partnering with industry leaders so that we can use their help in carving the community. The next thing is how we plan to target the global market. As we know, the hotel industry is all about being international and creating a global village. So we provide multiple localization features. Basically, these features include text management, translations, multiple languages, so that hotel owner can showcase his website in different languages to target particular audience. The hotelier can also add multiple currencies in which he can allow the user to make payment. So basically, we are trying two different hotel owners operating in two different locations with their local currencies, languages, and taxes for a single system. After all these efforts, we got a very positive response from our community. Till now, we have more than 30,000 downloads, 20,000 installation, with an average unique installation per day of more than 10 and more than 450 GitHub stars. If you want, you can find us on these platforms. Here are some of our valuable users who have created a successful hotel business out of QLO Apps. Here are some generous words from our customers. At the end, I like to share our roadmap. Where we have AI-driven solution for pricing and searches, we are planning to make worldwide ambassadors. We will create a native application for both Android and iOS platforms. We are about to launch our channel manager and hourly booking feature. Also, we are targeting voice search, handling different type of properties, a buy button to integrate QLO Apps with pre-existing hotel website. We are also planning to build an in-hotel app to manage our room services, auto checkout, and a POS system too. Every industry should have an open source alternative that decreases the entry-level challenge of the industry. Our vision with QLO Apps is very straightforward. We want to carve a community that will work aggressively to bring a revolution in the hotel industry. We want QLO Apps to be the first choice of a hotel business. as we want to make things simple and easy to understand. Technology is everyone's right, and we will make sure that hotel also get it. We envision that QLabs will generate a lot of opportunities for our tech community also. The platform will offer developers around the world the option to create add-ons, themes, and provide services on QLabs, which will ultimately create employment opportunities as well. As we know, by nature, humans are explorers. So the industry will come back on track post-COVID trauma. Hence, democratization is very necessary. Now, I want to invite you to contribute to QLabs in any way you can. We are open to all types of contributions, and we will love to discuss this. You can come to us through our website or our GitHub repo to start a discussion. The world needs the hospitality industry, and the hospitality needs an open source alternative. So help us building this wonderful system, which we call QLabs. Thank you.